the lemon. So guys, today I'm going to show Lynette my signature Mandazi recipe. Wow. Everybody's been asking me about it, so we're going to do it with Lynette today. Yeah. So what do we have?
We have
I have margarine.
Margarine, it's here.
Then we have milk.
Milk.
We have a lemon or lime. Then there's baking powder.
Okay.
I have eggs, sugar, and all-purpose flour.
Yeah.
So first, we are going to grate.
To grate.
We're going to grate this.
All right.
Okay.
Done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So we'll pour in the flour. I don't measure these days because I'm so used to doing this. I've done it over and over.
Alright.
But what I'm going to put is roughly 4 cups.
4 cups?
Yes. So first we'll do the dry ingredients.
Okay.
That is my flour.
Alright.
Then half cup sugar.
Half cup sugar.
Then we'll have the we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Yeah.
Let's add baking powder.
So just mix with your hand. Just use
Alright.
your hand to mix.
Alright.
Wait, let me put in this.
Alright.
The lemon.
The lemon.
The grated lemon. Lemon what? The lemon cover or the lemon?
Lemon peels.
Peel. Yeah.
So are we
So
ready
just-
to mix?
Yes, mix. Just use your hand. If your
Yeah.
hands are clean, go ahead.
Yeah, it's clean, huh? So guys, that's how we are doing it here. You said we start with the dry
Yes.
ingredients. Nice. I'm really loving this. And I'm happy that I'm learning from you, Jai.
Yeah, you can go make your own.
I go and make my own, and then you'll come and review it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, please. I'll go and try, and then just come and review and tell me, Lynette, you know what? You're a good student. Or I can give you an 8 and tell me why you gave me an 8 instead of a 10. No?
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you mix it all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we'll go in with the margarine.
Okay. Margarine.
So next we are going to do margarine.
Margarine.
That is 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. So because margarine has salt, we are not going to put salt.
Alright.
If you're using butter, you'll use a pinch of salt. That is if
Alright.
you're using unsalted butter.
Alright.
But margarine has some salt, so just wipe it out using your finger.
Okay.
So just use one finger. It's always easier when you use one finger with this.
One finger.
Sorry, one hand.
One hand, right?
Yes, use one hand.
So just mixing.
Yes. Pass it between your fingers so that it mixes all.
All right. So guys, I hope you're seeing it.
So everyone was asking for my recipe. Here we are.
Here we are, guys.
You can get it from Lynette's channel.
Yeah, kindly come and watch it from my channel. And the good thing about you're so generous and kind that you've let me do it.
You know, it's always easier to learn when you practically do something than when someone gives you the theory part.
Yeah, and then you go and try it by yourself.
Yes.
So guys, Jail is the good teacher, learning by doing. Actually, you know, that is the best method of teaching or learning. You learn by doing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Our bowl is small. So Lynette is having a hard time mixing everything up, so we are going to transfer it to a bigger basin. No, don't worry about that.
It's okay.
Also called kitchen accidents.
Kitchen accidents, and they do.
Yeah, it's easier mixing there.
Yeah, it's easier. So I can even go faster.
How does it feel? What's the texture like?
It's like, how can I name it? Okay, it's not smooth.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. Yeah.
Oh, that's how it's supposed to be.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Crunchy is the word.
This feels crunchy.
Yeah. So you say they make a hole in between?
Yeah, at the center.
All right.
Then pour in some milk. And remember, when you're doing this, just use all your ingredients at room temperature.
At room temperature?
Yes.
So the milk is at room temperature?
Yes.
All right.
I'll help you with the milk.
All right.
So we'll pour in a little at a time. We have 500 ml milk, but we're not going to use all of it.
All right.
Then we'll have eggs.
Eggs.
Let me get a spoon.
Okay.
Okay, Lynette, take 2 eggs.
Or 2 eggs.
Yes.
All
right. Just crack them into the milk. You're very cautious with the eggs.
I'm very cautious when it comes with the eggs.
You don't like cooking, I can tell that.
I don't like the eggshells, especially like
cracking in the. Sure, I get it.
So I have to be very cautious.
Lynette, you'll use your hand to mix the eggs and
the dough.
Yes, everything.
All right.
Yeah, just go ahead. Let your hands dirty. Get messy.
Let me get messy because you know after getting messy, I'll get full. We're gonna eat and we're gonna enjoy, guys. Oh my! I love the color it brings out, Jael. You see? It's already turning. Oh my god.
Yellowish, greenish.
Greenish.
That's perfect.
Oh, this is perfect.
Yeah. So let's get the cling film.
We cover it.
Yes. Cover it for about 30 minutes, then we cook.
All right.
So guys, we are going to cover it and leave it for about 30 minutes. And when we come back, we'll have our mandazis.
We are ready. Nice. And I love how crunchy it is. I can't wait to test these mandazi.
Good.
Nice.
Let me put it out in the sun.
Right here. And guess what Jael has just prepared for us? You can even see. Oh my god, so yummy. Jael, you can just maybe explain. For me, I'll just exaggerate. Wow.
No, it's you to judge my food, by the way.
Okay. I was like, you just describe what you've cooked, and then I will judge from eating.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, guys, it's mandatory. Let me say mandatory for visitors to eat chicken in our
African home.
Yes. So it's a way of appreciating our visitors.
Wow.
Some blood has to be shed.
Oh.
Like you have to slaughter something, eh?
Yes.
So I always like to slaughter chicken because I have a lot of chicken.
Yeah.
So my visitors can enjoy chicken whenever they visit.
Guys, you need to come and see what we have.
Organic chicken. It's not broiler or anything. It's organic chicken.
Indigenous
chicken.
Yes. So guys, we are having this. We have chicken. We'll just show you. I hope you could have joined us. So this is what we have, and I love this.
That's your decoration.
Yeah, so we have cabbage, paper. So guys, let me just
we
enjoy.
serve it with ugali.
We always serve it with ugali.
Or you can do it with the rice.
Yeah, we can.
But ugali happens to be our staple food.
Sure.
And
so guys, let's enjoy. We don't want to speak more. Let's just dig in and enjoy. So
bon appetit.
Bon appetit. So our dough is
doubled in size and it's ready to cook.
It's ready to cook.
So I'll just remove the film.
Wow.
Then knead it a bit.
I need it a bit.
Yes.
Just not that much. It's okay.
Yeah. Alright. Then take part of the dough.
Enough. I need it here, right?
Yes.
Alright. So guys, I hope you're watching this, enjoying us
now. Take the rolling pin. Now we are going to roll it out.
Yeah. So we're going to roll it out.
These are our lemon ring.
Lemon peels. Wow, I like the color. So maybe we have a knife
to do the smaller ones.
Smaller one, like these ones.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, there is okay. Then cut again on the other side.
Yes. It's okay.
You just break it so they can see.
Yeah. Okay. So let me do it.
Very crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside.
Yeah. Wow. So nice. Look at how it is. Even the colors from inside. So it's time to taste, guys. You first taste and then I do.
How did it go?
Oh my god. It's so sweet.
Okay, you go home and try your own.
It cooked well. Have it here, guys. Wow. I love this. So me and Jael, we've cooked the mandazi. You call it signature?
My signature mandazis.
Yeah, so I was cooking, guys, under her what?
Instructions.
Under instructions. So I want my brother to test.
here they are, guys.
I want you to be honest.
So you just wait until it's well.
Okay, it's fine. We have to show everything. No cornering.
Wow. They're very sweet.
They're very sweet.
Actually, they produce a very nice smell
Oh.
due to the lemon.
Yeah, you see now? The lemon piece. We nailed it. We nailed it, guys. Me and Jael. I hope we're gonna do them more.
They're shapeless but very sweet.
Shapeless but very sweet. So don't mind about the shape. So long as they are very
They're very nice, actually.
right?
They're very yummy.
Lexi, beautiful Lexi.
How did it taste?
Nice. Oh my god. So guys, I nailed it. I can't wait to go and prepare them for my mom, for our siblings, and then you'll be seeing how I will be making it without, and then she will come on the comment section and approve and rate my work. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Kindly, if you're watching from my side, go subscribe to Jael of the Village. I wish, if you just need those cinematic videos, clear videos, good, they call them good beats. My God, I don't know how to say, guys. You have her. Go watch from her, and I'm also learning on how to do good videos as she does. Yeah, I really look up to you. Thank you. So, guys, bye bye.